Boat's being parked. We've got two, if I don't fall down. Sandals are a bit slippery. G'day, mate. Not that far away. I often wonder how long it'll take to swim. I'd probably drown trying to do it. Imagine people are actually carrying their boats like that one up the stairs. Obviously they've got a bit knackered doing it. And they park them up here. Melu, Melu. Why are we here? There's a wedding on. Why is there music? There's a wedding on.